Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. People are so happy ngemva kokuthi beve kokuthi ubanjiwe lobonakale atrenda ku video snatching ifoni yasesithite laphana ePretoria. Le video isirculate kakhulu kabi lapha etinkundleni zokuxhumana. Ligama lakhe lomfana nguNobet and his Zimbabwean labamatiko. Ubanjiwe ke namhla ekseni iTRU sana ifike by force lapha eHillbrow yamthola akulelinye ligumbi khona lapha nasa charger ifoni bafika qathatha and he was wearing the same t-shirt labonakala sigqokile ngalesikhala snatcha leya phone yalosesi njengoba sibona leskipa lasigqokile lapha abonakala khona simthola agqoke libhuluku leli green iskindi ngathi ne track pants yini. It's the same t-shirt lela igqokile ngala the time snatcha leya phone yalosesi. Kuthiwa lo mfana kudzala ingoti lapha eJohannesburg nasePitori kudzala asnatcha amafoni abantu abaningi kudzala ama CCTV footages amkhombisa, but unfortunately bekasoluka abonakalele ekudzeni. Nkosi yami kwabona ifootage mawubhekele nayo khona ukukhombisa kahle ukuthi kahle kahle ungubani, but kudzala lo mfana ayishaya lendi yakhe yokusnatcha amafoni. This time ube nebhadi bamshutha buso. Ivideo yasirculate kabi kabi. Lo mfana nkosi yami bekafunwa njengemali. Ubanjiwe abantu abaningi, they are so excited. People are even saying ukuthi i-social media inemandla kabi kabi. People are even saying ukuthi kungazuthi nale footage ya DJ Warras ingakhombiswa bantu baku-social media sibone ukuthi ngeke bamthole lolo dubu le DJ Warras. Guys, bantu baku-social media mase bakufuna omhlaba wakho uvela ube mncane kabi kabi. Bantu baku-social media mase bakufuna uvela ungasadi nokuthi ubhaqephi, because i-social media ayidlali. Bantu baku-social media they will make sure ukuthi bayakuthola, and mabakuthola badodila nawe. So people are really happy, people are really excited. Bantu bayasho nje ukuthi yabo i-social media inemandla. Nkosi yami, let's hope ukuthi lo mfana lona utosithola sigwebo lesimfanele. Futhi angifiseli lo mfana ukuthi inkosi yami ayohlala ejele. Ungazi ukuthi nje angathola i-mob justice ashaywe inkosi yami azabe mandi, because we know ukuthi ejele uyophuma in 2 weeks aphinda yontshontsha lamanye amafoni. Ngathi angathola i-mob justice lo mfana lona bamshaya zathambe. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.
Yeah, cool, that's cool.
Kima, erobone wena sa. Tisukubona. Utshontsha ifoni wena?
Yeah. Wena
Utshontsha kuphi? Utshontsha kuphi? ePitori. All right. TRU bafana yasebenza yeso.
baba.
Yes.
Keep your hands.
TRU yasebenza yeso. Yini yasebenza? Yini?
Open futhi.
TRU yasebenza. Yini?
TRU.
Yeah. That's my boy.
Hey, sebafikile abo Mr. and Mrs. Sebafikile. Askisi. Yeah! You win! Hayibo! It's telephone. Mina ngithi uyagijima uyangena. Uphamlile ne? Yeah, ngisho ukuthi uyangena mina ngiyambona nakakulandela. Now scream, I thought just because useduze. No, yena, they came different.
No, marukile dropa mutu.
Dropa somebody.
Hey. So, Amabile, the driver has said another phone.
No, it's not the driver, it's the passenger.
The passenger.
I did.
Yeah.
That's
No, it's Bailey.
the corona.
Yeah.
They finally found him, the infamous cell phone thief, Nobert or Norbert. He was found and captured in Hillbrow. According to this one Twitter account, he was actually charging a phone when they found him. His pictures have been circulating online because he was caught on cell phone video snatching the cell phone of a woman in Brooklyn, Pretoria. Internet sleuths were able to find this guy's social media accounts and were able to determine that this man was quite the career cell phone snatcher, linking him to a number of incidents in Joburg and Pretoria over a period of a couple of years.